What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on ZCASH because this coin is started looking really great again. And in my opinion, if certain conditions are met, we can actually have here pretty great long opportunities. So if you're interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, or for example about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start the day on a 4-hour chart. You can see that from, let's say, this previous high, we had here a dump around like 60% of a net market. So on a weekly time frame, you can see a lot of liquidity have been already taken. On the 4-hour chart, we also right now broke the previous important high, which was on the level exactly 409, and we are retesting this previous level, which is like a $400 mark. So right now we are having here like a perfect support confirmation, and if there will be like an increased bullish volume, this can be pretty great long opportunity. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss probably needs to be under this low that we created after a retest of this area. So stop loss will be probably around like 389, something like that. If you want, you can place it like a little bit under, let's say something around 380, something like that, but that will give you like a worse risk reward ratio. Last take profit targets you can then place above this bearish order block area, so can be, let's say, something around 550. If you want, you can move it to like 600, something like that. This is, in my opinion, really great potential trading setup. And yeah, this can be simply a trade. So this trade can give you risk reward ratio, let's say around 6 to 7, something like that. And well, there is, in my opinion, pretty decent probability of a successful trade. On the other hand, if you want, you can also wait here for increased bullish volume, so you will be just buying the breakout of the current 4-hour highs. In this case, you probably don't want to place your stop loss that low, because then the risk reward ratio will be only 3.67, but you want to place it under this current low. So this trade can give you potential risk reward ratio up to 4.5, potential profit around 40%. If you want, you can like place it under this bearish order block. This will give you much better risk reward ratio, and this setup is, in my opinion, also looking really great. Again, you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits under this first bearish order block area, some profits under the second one, around this previous important highs, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am every day sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. If we will take a look on a 12-hour chart, you can see this is also looking really great, because we are right now just breaking the bearish structure, because we are breaking like this previous important high. So if you want to trade this on a 12-hour chart, you simply want to wait for a support confirmation above the level 408. So you need at least like this 12-hour and the next 12-hour candle to close above this area. And if this will happen, you can actually take really similar trade as I showed you on the 4-hour chart. Take profit targets with this setup is this bearish order block, which is between level 612 and 565, something like that. So this is kind of similar as with the 4-hour chart setup. And yeah, this is the main setup that you can actually take on this coin. If we will take a look on a daily time frame, again, the structure here is like really similar. In my opinion, there is actually pretty high probability that if the whole market will go up, ZCASH will do another high, so we can actually reach something like 1k, something like that. If you saw my previous analysis on ZCASH, you know that I really don't like this coin if we were talking about holding this long term. In my opinion, this is like really bad idea if you actually like didn't bought it on like this lower areas. But like buying this coin right now to spot portfolio is actually not that great, and I think in the long run we will go on like lower levels. But if it comes to like potential trading setups, I think this is looking simply really great. Okay, so these are actually the main setups that I'm currently watching here. As I said, if you want to take some long position on a 4-hour chart, which is actually a time frame that I'm currently watching the most right now, it's like not a bad idea if you will set a proper stop loss, but me personally, I will be probably also waiting for a breakout of this previous important high. I need to check if it's like good with my risk management, because I already have a few long positions open, so I don't want to have, let's say, I don't want to have, let's say, too big exposure to the market with my trading account. So yeah, guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want to know about all the coins that I'm currently watching, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. See ya.